Mona Lisa Mystery. What if I told you that a painting smaller than your TV screen is worth more money than entire countries? A painting so valuable that no amount of money can buy it. Not $1 billion, not 10 billion, nothing. But here's the crazy part. 100 years ago, almost nobody cared about this painting. It was just hanging on a wall, normal, boring. So what changed? A crime. A crime so dramatic that it made this painting the most famous artwork in human history. And the best part, the thief thought he was a hero. Today, I'm going to tell you the unbelievable true story of the Mona Lisa. Trust me, this is better than any movie. And stick around because there are hidden secrets in this painting that scientists just discovered using special cameras. Let's go. Who created it? The year is 1503. A man named Leonardo da Vinci picks up his paintbrush. But this guy wasn't just a painter, he was literally a genius at everything. Want to know how smart he was? He designed helicopters 400 years before they were invented. He studied human bodies by cutting them open. He made maps, he built weapons, he understood stars and planets. This man could do anything. And then he started painting the Mona Lisa. Here's the shocking part. It took him 14 years to finish this tiny painting. 14 years. And get this, he spent 12 years just on her lips. Yes, you heard that right. 12 whole years painting her smile. Why? Because he was obsessed with making it perfect. And boy, did he succeed. The mysterious smile. Look at her smile closely. Is she happy? Is she sad? Is she hiding something? The truth is, her smile changes based on your mood. If you're happy, she looks cheerful. If you're sad, she looks sad too. It's like magic. Leonardo used a special technique called sfumato, which means he blended the colors so smoothly that there are no hard lines. This makes her face look alive. But wait, there's more weirdness. Her eyes follow you around the room. No matter where you stand, she's watching you. She has no eyebrows, none. Leonardo left them out on purpose. The background on the left side is lower than the right side. Why? Nobody knows. And here's the biggest mystery. Who even is she? Some say she was a real woman named Lisa. Others think she was someone Leonardo imagined. But here's a wild theory. Some experts think the Mona Lisa is actually Leonardo painting himself as a woman. When you compare their faces, they look similar. Crazy, right? The theft that made her famous. Now for the juicy part, the crime that changed everything. August 21st, 1911, the Louvre Museum in Paris. A man named Vincenzo Perugia walks into the museum. He's just a worker there, a handyman. Nobody suspects anything. He waits for the museum to close, then he walks up to the Mona Lisa, takes it off the wall, hides it under his coat, and just walks out. No alarms, no guards chasing him, nothing. And here's the insane part. For 2 years, nobody knew where it was. When people found out the painting was missing, they went crazy. It became front-page news all over the world. Thousands of people came to the Louvre just to see the empty wall where it used to hang. Think about that. A blank wall was attracting huge crowds. During this time, they even suspected Pablo Picasso of stealing it. Yes, the famous artist Picasso. But the real thief was Perugia. And why did he steal it? He believed the painting belonged to Italy, not France. He thought he was a hero bringing it back home. In 1913, he tried to sell it to an art dealer in Italy. The dealer immediately knew it was real and called the police. Perugia was caught. The painting went back to the Louvre. But here's the truth. Before this theft, the Mona Lisa was not the most famous painting in the world. It was just another painting that art lovers appreciated. The theft made it famous. The drama, the mystery, the newspaper stories, all of this turned the Mona Lisa into a global superstar. Hidden secrets. Scientists have used X-rays and special cameras to study the Mona Lisa, and they found some shocking things. Secret number 1. There are tiny letters and numbers hidden in her eyes. Some think they're Leonardo's secret codes. Secret number 2. Under her current smile, there's a different smile Leonardo painted over it. Secret number 3. The painting has survived crazy attacks. During wars, it was hidden in secret locations. Someone threw a rock at it in 1956. Another person tried to spray paint it. It was stolen, as we know. Today, it sits behind bulletproof glass that controls temperature and humidity. It's protected like a precious diamond. And the value? In 1962, it was insured for $100 million. Today, that equals $900 million. But the truth is, the Mona Lisa is priceless. No one can buy it, ever. Why it matters? You might ask, okay, it's a nice painting, but why do people obsess over it? Here's why. 1. It represents human achievement. Leonardo didn't paint this for money. He painted it because he loved creating. He spent 14 years perfecting every tiny detail. That dedication is inspiring. 2. It connects us all. No matter where you're from, what language you speak, or what you believe, when you look at the Mona Lisa, you feel something. Her mysterious expression speaks to everyone. 3. It survived everything. Wars, revolutions, theft, attacks, yet she's still here, still beautiful, still mysterious. 4. It teaches us important lessons. Dream big. Leonardo was curious about everything. Be patient. 14 years for one painting. Leave your mark. His work inspires millions 500 years later. The Mona Lisa appears in songs, movies, memes, and art all over the world. She's become part of human culture itself. Final thoughts. Every year, millions of people travel to Paris just to see her. They wait in long lines, they push through crowds, and they get maybe 30 seconds to look at her. Why? Because standing in front of the Mona Lisa is like touching history. It's like meeting Leonardo da Vinci himself. When you look at her eyes, you're looking at the same eyes he painted 500 years ago with his own hands. When you see her smile, you're seeing the result of 12 years of dedication and genius. So here's my question for you. What's your Mona Lisa? What can you create that will last forever? What will you dedicate yourself to? Leonardo da Vinci shows us that when you combine passion, patience, and hard work, you can create something timeless. The Mona Lisa isn't just a painting, she's proof that humans can create magic. And that's the end of this incredible story. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and tell me in the comments, would you wait in line for hours just to see the Mona Lisa for 30 seconds? Thanks for watching, and remember, go create your own masterpiece.